Hello everyone, we are Group 7. The theme of the website designed by our group is Share a Journey, which is a social networking site for shared journeys. This is all the members of our group. Fearless Leader 三晒王 Design Guru 昊天董 Text Master 佳琪廖 Pixel Master 静怡李 We put forward our own suggestions for the design of the website, search for appropriate pictures and fonts, and jointly improve our website. Then, we will tell you about the results of our website design.
Well, let me introduce our website. Our website has black and white themes. Now I'm talking about the black theme because it's my favorite. At the top of the page of logo, ST, which means share travel. There are company and help. The login button is on the far right. This. The next line is navigation. As you can see, our navigation can follow the page up and down. We have also created a tab suspended in the bottom left corner of the page for users. Here's the main part of the site. We will start with videos and slides. Users can freely choose the time, volume, or full screen of the video. Let me show you.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
It's volume or full screen. And the three slides is the three slides. The three slides will jump to different interface, and you can put the ESC button to see all slides like this. Okay, the following are the main functions of the website. You can search for the passengers who have the same departure and destination. There are two inputs that can input your starting place or destination. After searching, you will jump to the introduction interface of destination. Like this. There is a back button to jump back to the home page. Okay. Here are the modules of food, hotels, and scenic spots. Through these three modules, users can search for food, hotel, and scenic spots near the destination. Here is the entrance to dating form. Here, users can find friends to travel with. At the bottom of the page is company navigation map. Okay, this is our website.
My name is Li Jingyi. I am the Pixel Master in the group. Today I will show you two parts about our point. It is target audience and client expectations and page layout. First, the part 1, target audience and client expectations. First, client expectations. The site has a strong aesthetic, the whole site has its own style, and the design is creative. Second, website has a certain dynamic, can make the interface more interesting. Third, the layout is clear, the page is neat and clear, and the text and the pictures match resembly. 4. Comfortable and soft color matching. At the same time, the color contrast is obvious so that the content can be clearly displayed. 5. With clear navigation, you can find the information you want directly and quickly. Navigation bar can follow the web page, convenient for users to use. 6. Good accessibility. In addition to normal users, try to let users with physical disorders such as color weakness can visit the website normally. 7. Functional integrity. Multimedia and other content can be used normally. Video, pictures, and so on can be displayed normally. There are 7 themes on it. First, safety, especially for women. Secondly, accuracy, location of boarding location, driving time, travel cost estimation, driver information, couple information, retail information, and so on. Third, the process of visiting the website is convenient, short waiting time, convenient payment, and timely handing of changes to the intermediaries. 4. Basic functions: ordering, hotel, scanning export, recommendation. 5. Social networking: provide a good communication platform. You can build communications and add friends to each other. 6. User service: introduction and strategy of related scanning export, food and beverage recommendation, public transportation information. 7. Reputation: customer evolution, reward and punishment mechanisms. 8. The website has good compatibility and can be accessed on a variety of browsers. 9. Important tips can be fixed on the interface to attract users' attention. 10. The layout is arranged according to the function. The target audience: age, mainly facing younger people between 17 and 35 years old. Gender, regardless of gender, both men and women are the target customers of the website. Interests: people who are interested in travel, making friends, food, and so on, especially those who are willing to travel, have a cheerful personality, and are willing to make new friends. Social economic standard: people with limited economic strength. People with limited economic strength need to share the fare by carpooling about 20%. Backpackers who like traveling about 30%. People who are willing to meet and hope to make new friends in the shared journey about 50%. Owners or companies that can provide car return service about 15%. People who are not familiar with road conditions, routes, and other travel information, who have no time to plan their own itinerary. People who are enterprise engaged in interest in trust, which can post advertisements or get mark information from the website as all about 10%. Now, the part 2. Page layout. First, in order to appealing to target audience, when you see the web page we just displayed, you will find that we use eye-catching layout and color and insert video pictures to attract the audience to browse the page. The design of our text is clean and direct, so that audience can clearly find the functions they need. The header contains the abbreviation ST of our title. It means share travel, a link to enter the company page, and a link to provide help. In the upper right corner is a link to sign up. For the navigation arrow, we designed the overall 7 categories to allow different audiences to choose the functional categories they need. GT is the short name of the company we designed, and this is the logo we finally designed, which symbolizes the traveling team, and it is designed for people who want to couple together, get together from all over the world. And the page footer area includes the copyright, last update, contract, email address. This is the bottom of the design of the jump. The white text black background design plays a role of the contrast. Each column of text not only repeats but also achieves the elegant presentation form. The same parts are put together close to each other. The black text and the light color background are combined with the picture representing the region, so the combination of the three has no sense of harmony. It can be seen from this picture that the resolution of the web page we designed is above 1024 by 768 with no horizontal poly, and the top part only takes up 4%, which can form a good layer effect. In addition to the title section, we also edited videos, pictures, center lines, especially the image logo and tips we design ourselves, which can slide up and down when we browse the web. We designed the site to help those who want to share their journey and couple together, and this section is designed to allow the audience to enter their origin and destination, and then click the search button to display the content they want. For example, when we set the origin as Beijing and the destination as Tianjin, click the search button and the page will jump to the correct interface. Okay, this is our design highlights. It's about the navigation flow, photo switch, and the two-page designs. First, the navigation to flow. As we slide through the interface, we can see that the top navigation bar is always flow as. Second, photo switch. On the home page, we specifically designed the photo toggle function, but when the target audience click on the left and right arrows, the photo will change accordingly. Third, two-page designs. We've also created black and white for you to choose from, especially when you switch between images, the background color changes. Okay, that's all.
Now I will introduce you the part 3, navigation. As you see, all main navigation links are clearly and consistently labeled. All navigation is easy to use for target audience. The navigation is structured in an unordered list. Our navigation bar is right at the beginning of the page, and the 7 features are in the most visible place. Customers click the corresponding button according to their needs. For example, when we click on the first car share, the navigation font color changes to black and jumps to the page. Navigation aids, such as sitemap, skip navigation link, or breadcrumbs are used. All navigation hyperlinks work, which means are not broken. After the page jumps, we will find that there is a back key in the lower right corner. When we press this button with the mouse, the website will immediately return to the home page, so as to facilitate the target audience to query again. If main navigation uses images, clear text links are in the footer section of the page. If main navigation uses Flash, clear text links are in the footer section of the page. Navigation aids such as sitemap, skip navigation link, or breadcrumbs are used. Now I will introduce you the part 4, color and graphics. This is our website. You can see that the color match well. Color scheme is limited to a maximum of 3 or 4 colors plus neutrals, and color is used consistently. According to the website of the slide shows our design on it, can be seen that our main color tone is black and white, but the two kinds of color of air is not large. Basic on the top and bottom. Both have the effect of clean, and because of no great use, so will not make the audience feel depressed and dull. Text color has sufficient contrast with background color. In addition to our website is not only used in the middle of the picture and text. Through the picture, you can see we have output a blue, pink, and gray 3 kinds of color. Select the 3 color is a dedicated wiggle for website more according with younger people. Also, will not appear too colorful or overwhelmed, as the background color of the black text more can highlight its own content. Color is not used alone to convey meaning. The picture on the right is the background color of the web page. The reason for choosing this picture is mainly the use of color. Color is not only for expressing meaning, but also for beauty to make the target audience deeply attracted by the website. Use of color and graphics enhances rather than distract from the site. The use of the map in the web page can highlight the concept of the distance between the place where the audience wants to reach and the place where they are starting. While the use of dark and light colors on the map can enhance people's concept of the distance between them, which is the term of using colors and images. Each graphic used serves a clear purpose. Each of the 9 images represents a different meaning, a different food, lodging, and scenic spot, each with its own specific purpose. Graphics are optimized and don't significantly slow download. Image tags use the alt attribute to configure an alternate text description. Animated images do not distract from the set and don't endlessly repeat. The insertion of our video will not start playing as soon as it enters the web page, but will not start playing until the target audience clicks on the video, and will not repeat infinite playback until the end without clicking.
Okay, next I will introduce the part 5 and text content. And the first section is multimedia. And the radio in the website can show the scenes of people's travel, highlighting the function of website. And any animation used enhances rather than distracts attention. And each radio field used is provided with a title. And users can choose when to start and pause the radio, and they can click this button. Next is the content presentation, and the font is in italics, Lucida, and other common fonts. And technology for web writings contains titles, key points, short paragraphs are used constantly. And next is the font size and color. The logo and the slogan of the web page are designed by using artistic words. And then, main function information related introduction font size 15px, and the italics makes the English display more beautiful, and the suspension box of the page plays a role of promote using 10px. And 3. Navigation bar with clearly font block, and it's more clear and easy to use. And the font color mainly uses black and white according to the background color adjustment. The color with strong contrast is selected to make the text clearly. The text content provides meaningful and useful information, and the website information includes 1. Website introduction, and 2. Brief introduction of food, hotels, science sports, and dating room. And in our website, the content is organized in a constant manner. The information is easy to find, with the list number of clicks, and the page navigation and function partition are clear. And the content provides links to other useful sites. We also made an interface to connect to. And next, I will introduce the part 6, accessibility. It mainly contains 4 sections. The first one is the navigation. Navigation is constructed in an ordered list. And next is the color. 1. Color is not the only way to convey meaning. We consider that some users have trouble to color recognition, so there is no content represented by color only. And 2. There is enough contrast between text color and background color. 3. The image element uses the ALT attribute to configure the optional text description. The image can't be displayed. The ALT attribute specifies the optional text. For disabled people, this is usually the only way they understand the context of the image. And next is the picture section. 1. When graphs are used to convey meaning, relevant text is provided. And 2. A lot of content and navigation graphs on the website replace text, allowing users to find the information they want more directly. And the last section is page elements and properties. And the web uses the ID and title attributes to improve the accessibility of table data. And we improve the readability of our web page from the following 4 aspects. First is the perception. Information and user interface components are user-aware. And next is robustness. Content is robust enough to allow many browsers to access it properly. And next is operability. And 1. This gives users enough time to read and use the content, and the time should be adjustable to set the time limit of the content. And the last section is understandable. And the information in the web page about the user interface and its operation can be understood by user easily. And we use titles, subheading, and text to describe the content of the web page, to describe the topic, and all the text is readable and understandable. And finally, there is a conclusion. In this test, we cooperated in many aspects. and provided constructive suggestions to each other, which also improved our website. Thank you for watching, and we're looking forward to receiving your comments.